Vospov Kufte,
the ultimate Armenian Lent dish that keeps you coming back for more.
We call it Vospov Kufte. What do you call it? Leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and follow for more fun recipes. 1 cup red lentil, 3 cups water, and bring it to a simmer for about 20 minutes. While that's going, dice 1 onion in a pan, add way more oil than you think you need, and toss in your onions. Once it just starts to brown, set it into a bowl and let it cool. Add in your cooked lentils, it's okay if it's still watery, and 1 cup fine bulgur, it's cracked wheat. Give it a stir and let it all cool down together. While it's cooling, the delicious salad topping. Chopped tomatoes, diced cucumber, diced red onion, mixed greens, lemon, salt, oil, and some pepper. It basically is a salsa.
Once it's completely cooled, add red pepper paste, green onions, cumin, salt, oil, and knead it all together until it's fully incorporated. Then grab a golf ball sized piece, squeeze it together till it makes these cool shapes. I like to plate it with the salad on the bottom, kefte on top, a little bit of oil, chopped green onions, and some Aleppo pepper.
Now that looks delicious. A bow! Yeah! Wow, that's delicious. It's so good. Kind of feels like home. Want some?